house repair time. This piece of wood popped off. It's finger jointed. I guess after 40, how old is this house? 1967, 1970? 53 years, 54 years. It's time to silicone it and put it back together. The gasket's fallen off, but it's all right. I got some goopy clear silicone, and let's see. Look at that. The nails rusted right off. I just slathered in the silicone. I'm going to push it in place and nail it and ship it. And it takes two hands to engage that, or I could make the windows wider. Oh boy, yeah, things are rotten all over. That is rotten. Oh boy. Houses don't get better with age. I dumped those nails in the ground, I picked them up, and I had some silicone on the edge, and I almost dumped them again. Garden hose found in the garbage. And when I went to insure this house a couple of years ago, the insurance company came to inspect it. They said, we can't insure this house. Your windows are rotten. Your whole house is rotten. I could have covered that over with a piece of aluminum or even painted it. Just a little piece of aluminum bent to fit that, and wouldn't have seen a thing. Canceled my insurance. Can't insure your house. And the roof over there needs to be changed. I've got the shingles. They're right inside. Wooden shakes and shingles. From, we're in British Columbia. Went to the mill, right where they make these 1-inch thick butt cedar shakes and shingles from stumps of trees. They send them down the Fraser River. They bring them up to the mill right on the